Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect EJEAS to Phone Easy Guide. Turn on the earbuds and put them in pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED blinks. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone, find the device named EJEAS, and tap to pair. If asked, confirm any prompts or enter a simple PIN. Once paired, test audio and adjust volume for a comfortable listening level. In this video, I will show how to connect EJEAS to Phone Easy Guide. If pairing fails, first confirm the earbuds have enough charge and restart both devices. Try resetting the earbuds with the reset procedure in the manual, then re-enter pairing mode. On your phone, remove any previous EJEAS entry to avoid conflicts and retry pairing. These steps clear common glitches and usually restore a clean connection quickly and reliably. In this video, I will show how to connect EJEAS to Phone Easy Guide. After pairing, explore your phone's audio settings to choose codecs or equalizer presets that suit music, calls, or podcasts. Keeping Bluetooth enabled helps the earbuds reconnect automatically when in range. If you use multiple devices, switch the active connection in Bluetooth settings to prioritize the phone. Small tweaks here improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.